Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, February the 22nd, 2022. We have 3 puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and a killer Sudoku. I've solved already these 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. Well, it's time for the binary puzzle number. Let me see what's number 4163. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means we have in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 2 minutes. Cannot believe this. This one is so quick. In 2 minutes, I've solved this binary puzzle without any comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.